Hook. Your hotel doesn't have laundry, your clothes smell like tonkotsu ramen, and you've been wearing the same underwear for 3 days. Time to find a coin laundry. But Japanese laundromats work differently than back home, and the machines are covered in buttons you can't read. Here's how to actually get your clothes clean without accidentally dyeing everything pink. Step-by-step guide. Find a coin laundry near you. Download the Coin Laundry Map app or search Coin Randori on Google Maps. Most are open 24/7, which is perfect when you realize at 11 p.m. that you have nothing clean to wear tomorrow. Bring the right change you'll need, Y100 and Y500 coins. Most places have change machines, but they're picky about bill conditions. Bring crisp bills or get change at a convenience store first. Budget Y300, 600, 24 for washing, Y100, $200, 070, 140 per 10 minutes for drying. Choose your washing machine size, small, 7 kilos, Y300, 400, good for 3-4 days of clothes, medium, 12 kilos, Y500, 600, a week's worth, large, 18 kilos, Y700, 800, only if you're washing bedding or have a month of laundry. Add detergent the right way. Don't bring powdered detergent. It doesn't dissolve well in cold water. Buy liquid detergent from the vending machine, 100, or bring travel-size liquid pods. Some newer machines have built-in detergent dispensers. Select your wash cycle. The standard cycle, Biaojun, takes 30-35 minutes and works for everything. Avoid the speed wash, Ojigi. Your clothes won't get clean. The delicate cycle, Sohudo, adds 10 minutes but is worth it for anything you care about. Don't leave your clothes unattended. Someone will remove your clothes and put them on top of the machine if you're late. Set a phone timer and come back 5 minutes before it ends. Bring a book or download Netflix episodes. Dry efficiently. Use high heat, chiang, for cotton and towels, medium, zhong, for everything else. Start with 20 minutes for small loads, 30 for larger ones. Check halfway through. Overdrying shrinks clothes and costs extra money. Japanese phrases. You need shitoki ha doko desu ka? Sentaku wa doko desu ka? When you can't find the washing machines, they're sometimes on different floors. Liangti gi. Ryogeki. Look for this sign to find the change machine, zhongliu. Shuryo. This appears on the display when your cycle is finished. Guzhang zhong, koshochu. Out of order, avoid machines with this sign, Biaojun kosu, Hyojun kosu. Standard course, your safest bet for the wash cycle. One thing tourists get wrong. Stop trying to use fabric softener in every load. Japanese washing machines use cold water, and most fabric softeners here are designed for hot water wash cycles. You'll end up with residue on your clothes and a weird smell. The liquid detergent from the vending machine already has softening agents. If you must use softener, only add it during the rinse cycle and use half the amount you would at home. Quick summary. Bring Y100 and Y500 coins, budget Y500, 800 total per load. Buy liquid detergent from the vending machine. Skip powder standard cycle, Biaojun, for 30-35 minutes is your friend. Set a timer and don't leave your clothes. Someone will move them. High heat for drying cotton, medium for everything else.